dark clouds on the horizon, but we had a sunny day. The mist of troubles is rising, and the rain is coming my way. I begin to cry out to Jesus, Lord, what is going on? He gently speaks to my heart, trying to make it through this storm. There's a reason for the pain. There's a reason for the caution. In the midst of all the pain, just remember that God's still there, and that He's gonna see me through. Because He wasn't yesterday, He is your dearest friend. The sun will shine again. There's no reason to Our God has a purpose, although we may not see. He's working all things for our good. Just trust Him and you will see. The sunshine in the shadows, just give it some time to appear. Joy comes in the morning, though your night was filled with tears. There's a reason for the caution. In the midst of all the pain, just remember that God's still there, and He's gonna see because He wasn't yesterday. The sun will shine again. There's a reason for the
Praise God, praise God, praise God. Thank you, Lord.